present here want to know the significance of the hug that was exchanged with Salman Khan at the iftar party, and that the two warring Khans are friends again. If you could just throw some light on that. All of us present here would want to know that.
You know, I'll be very honest, there has, whether it's my relationship, friendships, personal aspects, I think none of the people that have had relationships like this, all the men and women, and I've never dignified it by talking about it in public. I like to keep it like this. And, you know, people have, with due respect, their tabloid analysis to this. So much is said, so much is heard, so much is written. But as far as we are concerned, I've always been one, whenever I've been in a passionate issue, that I've never spoken about it. I'm not going to begin now. And I will never talk about it. And, you know, it's for everyone to take it forth. There's nothing coming from, you know, in terms of explanation and all that I'm reading and hearing about it, really.
पर शाहरुख दोस्ती का सलमान ने पढ़ा या फिर
Can we have questions, please, with regard to the... इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद यहाँ आए हैं, लोगों ने गेम के पीछे मेहनत करी है, उसको लॉन्च करने के लिए यहाँ पर स्टार्स आए हुए हैं. So आपसे अनुरोध होगा, रिक्वेस्ट होगा कि keep it to this forum.
Hi, Shahrukh.
इतनी बारिश में.
Hi, Shahrukh. What was your role in developing the game? Like, how deeply you were involved in developing the Chennai Express mobile game?
Actually, you know, Disney UTV के साथ हमने पहले भी काम किया हुआ है. इनकी जो पूरी टीम है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा, you know, advanced है in terms of gaming and designing. और ये अभी Android phones के लिए है, iOS पे बाद में आएगा और feature phones के लिए है. लेकिन एक शुरुआत है जो पिछले 5, 7, 8 सालों से Disney UTV और सब लोग करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. And I think it's best left after the narration and the conceptualization of the story being told to them.
Okay.
And in this case, because UTV is also the producer of the film, so they have access to the film from day one when we've narrated the story and heard it. So they are with the film right from beginning, which has added a lot of value to it. And of course, having said that, looking at the characters, the sweetness, the music, Rohit and me are always called upon, shown what is happening, and then, you know, given our 2 bits. Okay. But genuinely, the credit, and I think this game is really nice and sweet, the credit lies with the programmers and the designers of the game.
Okay. Sounds good. What is the difference between the iOS and the Android version of the game? Like,
I don't know technically. I think on the feature phone it's 2D if I'm not mistaken. And on the Android phones it's 3D. And if there is any other difference you'd like to?
The fundamentals of the game remain the same. It's going to be available on iOS. It's available. It goes up as early as this evening. The iOS version isn't built currently and will be up soon.
Shahrukh.
हम लोग बहुत गेम्स खेलते थे एक्चुअली. हाँ, रोहित ने हमको ट्रेन की पटरियों पर, और इलीगली नहीं, लीगली, क्योंकि वहाँ बंद था, ट्रेन लेट हो गई थी, रुक गई थी एक्चुअली ट्रेन 1.5 घंटे के लिए, तो हमने ट्रैक्स की साइड में क्रिकेट का पूरा एक मैच खेला है. उसके अलावा रात को 12 बजे लाइटें लगा के होटल के बाहर बारिश में क्रिकेट मैच खेला है. उसके अलावा हम केबीसी खेलते थे सेट के ऊपर, केबीसी का वर्जन हु वांट्स टू बी अ मिलियनेयर. फिर रोहित ने बॉलीवुड का केबीसी लेकर आए थे. वी प्लेड लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ गेम्स एक्चुअली. वी इवन प्लेड ट्रूथ एंड डेयर. उसके बारे में हम आपको नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन बहुत सारी गेम्स. एक्चुअली गेम्स वाज अ बिग थिंग, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म की शूटिंग काफ़ी राउंड द क्लॉक होती थी. सो जस्ट टू कीप द मूड अप, आई थिंक रोहित एंड ऑल द टीम, दे यूज्ड टू ब्रिंग अप गेम्स एंड वी यूज्ड टू कीप प्लेइंग लॉट्स ऑफ देम. नहीं, मैं यार जीत जो है ह्यूमिलिटी से ही लेता हूँ, और मैं बहुत बारी जीतने देता हूँ. जैसे अभी मैंने रोहित को, मैं जब हारता हूँ मैं यही कहता हूँ कि मैं दूसरे को जीतने दिया.
शाहरुख, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस की रिलीज जो है, जो 1 दिन से पोस्टपोन हो गई है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि जो एक्स्ट्रा डेज का एडवांस फायदा जो आपको मिलने वाला था फिल्म को मिलता, वो अब कहीं ना कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, या व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट?
खुशी से क्यों पूछ रही तुम?
मुझे तो नहीं पूछ रही, आई एम जस्ट वांट टू नो योर ओपिनियन.
नहीं, आई थिंक यू नो फ्राइडे को, इफ आई एम नॉट मिस्टेकन, जहां तक मेरी समझ है, ये यूटीवी का डिसीजन है कि द फिल्म शुड रिलीज ऑन 9th नाउ, जो फ्राइडे होता है. लेकिन आई थिंक 9th को काफी हद तक, अगर मेरी गलत नहीं सोच, बैंक हॉलीडे है. सो यू डू गेट द एडवांटेज ऑन 9th ऑफ अ डे ऑफ. एंड And I think हर फिल्म की अपनी एक किस्मत होती है, अपना एक आगे जाने का तरीका होता है. बहुत खूबसूरत फिल्म है. So I'm sure whatever we lose out on a day off, we will gain some other time as the film progresses. Why believe the film is only going to be for 3 or 5 days? We'd like to believe it'll run for a couple of weeks or more than that. And on the basis of the story and how people like it. So inshallah, we'll get some other holidays along the way.
Rohit,
Please
firstly,
raise your
congrats.
hand.
मैं हाँ थोड़ा काम ज़्यादा बढ़ गया है बट अब करना ही है फिल्म की रिलीज है. मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि हम एक्चुअली थ्रू आउट द शूटिंग रोहित वाज वेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द शोल्डर सर्जरी. तो काफ़ी तकलीफ में और पूरा एक जो मुक्के हैं उस साइड से बनाए जिस साइड पे चोट ना लगे. एंड आई वाज रियली कीन कि जैसे ही फिल्म खत्म हो मैं कर लूँ कि प्रमोशन तक ठीक हो जाऊँ. सो अभी थोड़ी तकलीफ है लेकिन आई गेस अनदर वीक और 2 आई विल बी ऑल राइट. ऐसा मुश्किल नहीं है, थोड़ी तकलीफ है. सो दे ऑल टेक केयर ऑफ मी एंड आई बी ऑल राइट.
Rohit, firstly, congrats. You just won the game. And I just wanted to know, Shah Rukh was so engrossed while he was playing the game. And we've seen, his love for games, so many times. So tell me, how competitive is Shah Rukh Khan too? You've directed him now. So how competitive is Shah Rukh Khan if you had to actually define his, competition levels?
How do I answer that?
You have to answer. Like, you've worked with Shah Rukh, you know him so well.
I think
now.
he's the most hardworking human being. Forget an actor or a hero, or a producer. I've seen, my experience have been with him, and he's, I would say that he's the best captain. He keeps his team motivated, on their toes, and he knows how to remove the best out of his team. So he's the best captain, I would say.
Shah Rukh, I wanted to know, do you think this year is the best year for you? We've seen, now Chennai Express, you're working with a director like Rohit Shetty. We got to see you and Salman becoming friends again. So for us, it was a big, big thing. So what do you have to define this year like now?
Actually, I always say, count your life by smiles, not tears. And count your age by friends, not years. So I've made a great friend in Rohit Shetty this year, apart from the fact that he's made a wonderful film for me. And मुझे इस बात की बहुत खुशी है कि मुझे ये मौका मिला है इस genre के, because रोहित मुझे लगते हैं one of the few directors हमारे देश में इस वक्त हैं जिनका अपना brand of cinema है. You can't put it in a description कि action है, thriller है, comedic है. So I'm actually very fortunate and the experience has been beautiful. तो साल की काम के हिसाब से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो शुरुआत बहुत खूबसूरत है कि चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस डायरेक्टेड बाय रोहित शेट्टी में मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. दीपिका और मैं उस बात से बहुत खुश हैं और इंशाल्लाह दिस विल मेक अस इवन मोर competitive in a good way. कितनी अच्छी फिल्म बनाई है, इसके बाद और मेहनत करेंगे, बेहतर जाएंगे. So I'm extremely happy that I waited 6-8 months and got such a wonderful film with such a wonderful team of people and I've made a wonderful friend in Rohit. So it's really nice and inshallah let's see. अभी तो साल बाकी है, अच्छी चीजें होती रहेंगी. आप भी दुआ करो, मैं भी आपके लिए दुआ करता हूँ कि आपके लिए हर चीज अच्छी हो इस साल.
Last question for the day, please.
Hi, Shah Rukh.
Hi, Shah Rukh.
Hi. I have a question for Shah Rukh. You came up with Ra.One. You came up with a game on Ra.One, and now you've come up with a game on Chennai Express. So how evolved do you think, or how different are the games from each other, and how evolved is gaming for you?
We did it even for Dawn 2 actually. We did work on a game. Like I said before, I think I have a belief that when you are trying to entertain people through cinema, there are a lot of things that should be attached to cinema. We don't write books about the films we make. We don't archive the stuff that we are, doling out in front of the audience. And I think gaming and, digital space is a wonderful space to be on. And it's not only my personal interest that I like video games. It's very nice to say, it's like saying I'm a romantic hero, so people say I'm a gamer. But I think it's a method of communication and entertainment for a different sect of people who like games. So over the years, initially when we started, it was more difficult. But we had some great partnerships. Like I mentioned, Disney UTV is fantastic for digital gaming, for mobile gaming. And before that, we had with Sony once, for Ra.One. And the experiences are only growing and evolving. And as the teams and, people, all the programmers and all, I think are the best in the world that we have in this country. Sometimes the economics are not allowing us to do it. But it's good to begin something like this. And hopefully as the years go by, it will become. And you have lovely hair. apart from everything else. I think your hair is fantastic.
Thank you.
Last two questions
have
for
one
today,
more
please.
question.
Ma'am,
Shahrukh, this is
No.